Why'd you stop now? It makes noise. It smells like cheese. Yes. Favorite new toy. What the hell? Now he won't eat the plastic. He just chews at it. Tears a piece off. Then starts tossing it in the air. Which frightens me if he ever decides that he wants to hunt animals. Because could you imagine coming home to a cat that hasn't been eaten? Just kind of chewed on and thrown in the air. Pieces torn off. Yay, pit bulls. Big fat. Oh. You are so sweet. I don't know why I buy you toys when I could just spend $1 on treats and you are thoroughly entertained. What do you see? Dainty Paws. Hey, Dainty Paws. How's your day going? Doing well? Fuck your couch. How are you sitting? You need a rawhide. I smell like pizza and it tastes like pizza. I want pizza. Do you want bacon? You know you have bacon in the house. Are you seriously super content with just this bag? Oh, please don't come outside. We have been enjoying ourselves. Oh, another piece. There it goes. Fuck this shit. Now you know if you go over there fucking with them dogs, I'm gonna have to put you back on your rope. Yeah, Bree, I want you not to be lazy. I think I've seen... all there is to see. Where are you, Ginger? There you are. They are not coming. Oh, yes, they are. God damn it.